Alright, I got a solar path light here from Seeking LED on Amazon, and I'm going to do a review on this. I took them out and tested it, ran through the ropes. It's quite a good solar powered LED. Just to show you the light itself, I know there's tons of them on the market. Very sensitive, very bright, and a long-lasting 18650 battery. And we'll get into that. I'll show you can replace these batteries, which is a good thing. There are different modes on it. One is, oops, sorry about that. That was on. That's the low mode, and then if somebody crosses the path, it brightens up. Like I said, they're very bright. We'll test them outside. And then there's an emergency mode right there. But then we're going to leave it off for now. But this thing is 800 lumens. 5 hours of sunlight will be enough to charge this for running a full 10 hours continuous runtime at night, my guess, on low mode. It has a 20-foot detection range. Very easy to mount, if you see here on the back. And it does come with, which I think is awesome, all these should, a little placement sticker to put the screws in. And as far as the battery is concerned, one is I popped the back out of one right here, and it wasn't too hard. You just stick a screwdriver down in there, a little flat screwdriver, and pop it out. Here's the circuit if anybody's interested, and the battery itself is right here, and I might have to get a screwdriver because I put that back in. Oh, I got it out. It's basically just taped in. And you would have to desolder it and to put a new battery in, but the batteries seem quite good. Now they rate these batteries at, I think it was 2600 milliamps, whether that's the case or not. It seems like a heavy battery, so we'll see, but it does do the job. But like I said, it's nice to know if you had to replace it, you can. We're back in business. It's back on. I got a 2-pack. And I know they got a discount on a 1-pack. I think it's up to 30% off, but don't quote me. What I'm going to do is take these outside and show you how bright they are and get them mounted. We'll go from there. But they do come with a set of screws and an anchor just in case you need it. So what do you say we go out and get them mounted and I'll show you. Alright, I got these 2 lights installed in my girlfriend's rental property, and I'm going to show you how bright they are. I'm going to walk a little bit. I'm about probably 25 feet away from the one on the side of the house. Let me get the angled up here a little bit. You can see a window light up in the upper part. That's one light. You can see it lights the entire area. Now, to go to the front of the house, pretty awesome, I think. They'll stay on for 15 seconds unless there's movement there, and then they'll turn back on or stay on. I got a lot of snow blowing. That's why the camera lens is getting fogged up. They work pretty good. Got different modes, but I just got it on to where it turns on all the way. Let me wipe my camera lens off quick. Apologize for that, but a lot of snow blowing and a lot of wind. Mounted it quite easily. I'm impressed. They work quite well. Very easy to put up. You got the stickers to line up the 2 screws. Screwed it right in. Worked quite well. I'm going to have to get the camera in the car here. Too much snow on the ground. Pretty awesome. There you go, a couple nice wall mount solar LED lights from Seeking LED. Price wise, I said you can't beat it. And quality, they seem quite well. Tested them out, they do the job. No cords, easy to hang. Go ahead and check that link out down below. Like I said, I do believe they will be giving a 30% discount on one LED purchase. So there you go. Till the next time.